welcome to my vlog. For today's video, I'm preparing na kasi alis ako ng bahay. And for today's look, ayan, medyo makapal yung eyelids ko. Manipis yung eyelids ko. So, kaya naglagay po ako ng Sport Fix Liquid Eyeliner. And this is from BYS. Buy one, take one yan siya, guys. And then, para naman sa aking concealer, BYS din ito, guys. Yan siya, guys. So, para ito siya mapantay yung mga wrinkles natin dyan. Mapantay. So, yan siya, guys. So, and then, I use this Super Lick from Maybelline para sa ating kilay. Medyo naubos na, guys. So, ayan siya. Okay, so, and I also use eyeshadows. This is BLK siya. And ito siya ay nude color. So, para bagay lang sa skin tone color natin. And then, for my dito po sa blush on, I use also BLK Cosmetics. And for my mascara, yeah, this is from Maybelline New York. Ito siya. And then, guys, meron palang promo ngayon si BLK na buy one take one. So, bili na kayo, baka maubusan kayo. And then, si Maybelline naman, guys, pag bumili kayo, meron kayong free lipstick. Ito siya. It's mini lipstick. Ayan siya. Yun lang, guys. And for my sunblock, ito yung ginagamit ko. Anti-age spot sun care face cream. Ayan siya, guys. Kasi mainit sa labas, dapat mag sunblock tayo. And this is my overall look. Ito, dito tayo so this is my overall look. Yan siya, guys. So ito yung usual ko na look sa school. And then, so I will be wearing my eyeglasses. That's why po. So that's all for today's video, guys. Thank you for watching. Bye!